Everybody, Gordon here. Kristen and Sasha and the boy are inside the house. And well, I know it's the same old about midnight, but here we go again. Whoa! As you can see, we got quite a bit of this shit, aka snow. Again, Mother Nature just doesn't understand it's spring. But it's like this usually every year for us, so it's not a surprise. I'm kind of glad that we don't have what those people have right there. That's what scares me about ours and why I made that. About her. First of all, I'm going to have to clean her off because she's got a lot of wet snow on her. But I forgot to plug her in when we had the extreme cold temperatures. As you can see, there's my plug. I did it again. Let me just zoom in. Whoa. Like I said, there she is, right there. Her block heater cord is right there. So this is going to be, I'm pretty sure we're going to have an issue, guys. We had an issue the last time. I was going to change her battery. The problem with that was I tried and I stripped the bolt. So now I got to get a very special socket to take that bolt out and then replace it. And I don't even know what kind of bolt it is. So, but let's get this dusted off. When you come back, this will all be done. All this will be done. And then we'll try to start her. If she doesn't start, then I'm going to have to put her on the trickle charger. Okay, I got the car cleaned out the best I can. The rest will just have to blow off if we can get her started. Let's hope she fires up because, like I said, I've been having problems with this battery. And I have a spare battery, but I don't have the tool to take everything apart. So let's see. Oh, she started. Everybody. I'm gonna warm her up. Oops. We're gonna warm her up. So now what we're gonna do once she's warmed up is that we're gonna go drive and get the right tool, the right socket. I'll talk to everybody and everything, and I'll take a picture and everything, and I'll explain everything and see what they say. But right now I can't even do anything. My gas is like a little low, like crazy low. But yeah, we're gonna do it.